List of all countries who have national official birds in the world. Part 2. France Scarlet Rooster, Germany Feudal Eagle, Capillator, Barbary Partridge, Gorenda, Gorendado, Guatemala, Resplendent Quetzal, Guinea, Hotzin, Haiti, Hispanian Dragon, Honduras, Scarlet Macao, Hungary, Shaker Falcon, Ireland, Gerfalcon, India, Indian Peacock, Indonesia, Javan Hawk Eagle, Iran, Common Night Eagle, Ireland, Northern Lapwing, Atli, Italian Sparrow, Jamaica, Dr. Bird, Japan, Green Pheasant, Jordan, Sinai Rosefinch, Kenya, Lilac-breasted Rooder, Latvia, White Wagtail, Liberia, Garden Bulbul, Lithuania, White Stork, Luxembourg, Goldust, Malaysia, Euronchorus Hornbill, Malta, Blue Rock Thrush, Mauritius Kestrel, Mexico Golden Eagle, Mongolia, Shaker Falcon, Montserrat, Oriole, Myanmar, Grey Peacock Pheasant, Namibia, African Fish Eagle, Nepal, Himalayan Monal, Netherlands, Black-tailed Godwit, New Zealand, Kiwi, Nicaragua, Turquoise-browed Mutmut, Nigeria, Black-crowed Crane, Northern Ireland, Eurasian Ostrich, North Korea, Northern Goshawk, Norway, White-throated Diaper, Pakistan, Shaheen Falcon, Palo Fruit Dove, Palestinian Sunbird, Panama, Harpy Eagle, Papua New Guinea, Regina Bird of Paradise, Paraguay, Bare-throated Bellbird, Philippines, Philippine Eagle, Poland, White-tailed Eagle, St. Kitts and Nevis, Brown Pelican, St. Lucia, Amazon, St. Vincent, Parrot, Scotland, Golden Eagle, Sarabia, Griffon Vultures, Singapore, Crimson Sunbird, South Africa, Blue Crane, Jungle Fowl, Sri Lanka, Sweden, Common Black Bird, Thailand, Simon's Fireback, Taiwan, Blue Magpie, Tobago, Coreco, Uganda, East African Crown Crane, Ukraine, White Stork, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Peregrine Falcon, European Robin, United States, Bald Eagle, Uruguay, Southern Lapwing, and Venezuelan Tropial. It was the list of the all countries who have national official birds. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.